Renae Aukes, sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV.
How long have you worked here?
Just over 3 years.
And what is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
You know, it starts with that phone call or that first interaction. Really, it's just getting to meet people all over and learning and understanding how they plan to camp. And truly, a lot of my guests have become really great friends of mine. So it's just fun following them along in their journey.
If you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
I would go to Wyoming. You know, it's wide open spaces. It's beautiful. The scenery is just amazing. So that's what I would do for a week-long trip. I would still have to come home, right?
And what do you like doing in your free time when you're not at work?
You know, our kids keep us super busy. Any downtime means we're just running after kids and going to sporting events. Additionally, like my favorite thing to do is hang out at home, listen to audiobooks, and just relax.
Well, thank you.
Thanks.